Today topic is osmosis. Definition of osmosis. Osmosis is a biophysical process occurring commonly in biological system where solvent molecules move across a semi-permeable membrane towards a region of high solute concentration. It is a type of passive transport and is direct towards the direction that tends to equalize the solute concentration across a semi-permeable membrane. It is a common process taking place in most of the biological membrane in the organism. It is a biological system. The solvent mostly is water. However, osmosis can also take place in other liquids and even gas. As it is means of passive transport, it doesn't require any energy. Now come to mechanism of osmosis. How does osmosis work? This is the diagram in which the solution hypotonic take place. In order to describe the process of mechanism osmosis, we take two solutions separated by semipermeable membrane. One is the solution of pure water while other is the solution of solute and water. According to the definition of osmosis, in such a case, pure water moves across the membrane towards the solute solution. Several descriptions have been made to understand the driving force of the osmosis. One such theorem explains that the movement of water across the membrane results due to the concentration gradient of water in two solutions. This theorem, however, doesn't explain the process of reverse osmosis, which occurs against the concentration gradient with the movement of the solvent towards the solution of lower concentration. Therefore, the process of osmosis has been explained with the concept of chemical potential. The chemical potential of pure water in one solution differs from the chemical potential of water in the solution with solute molecules. The interaction between the solute and water molecule reduces the pressure exerted by water molecule in the solute solution. As a result, the water molecules, the pure water exert more pressure towards the solution and lower solvent concentration. The pressure results in the forces of water across the membrane. This process continues until pressure on the both sides becomes equal, leading to the equilibrium. Thanks. Please subscribe Zoomenia.